Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita back with another video. So in this video, I want to show you all how you can get the secured credit card. And the best part is you guys are not going to get a credit check. And then they allow you to have two of them. So yes, two of them, which can mean that it can help you boost your credit score faster. So let's go ahead and look under credit cards and loan links. So let's go ahead and click there. Now, the website I'm on right now is my allthingsrickita.com, and I have so many different credit cards on here. You don't just have to look at just this one credit card. There's so many other ones you can look at, and I'm continuously editing this list of credit cards and loans. So depending on what you want, it's most likely here. And say if you don't know exactly what you want, look at your unique situation. Do you want to get pre-qualified for a credit card? Then you'll look here. If you want to get credit cards that's only bankruptcy friendly, because you got a bankruptcy, then you want to actually look here for a credit card. Say if you want to do a balance transfer, look there. Like, there's so many different credit cards here. I can't go on and on about this, but I will if you ask me to. Let me know what you want me to make a video about. I'll make it for you. But there's so many credit cards here. Now, the credit card I want to show you is actually in bad credit, okay? So, in that credit card right here, it's the fourth one on the list. It's the credit builder card. So, I want you to go ahead and click right there. Now, the credit builder card, again, it can approve you without a hard inquiry. You guys can get approved for two of them. So, this one right here, you have to put a $200 deposit down. But when you all put that $200 deposit down, they're going to ask you, do you want two? And if you say you want two of them, then they're going to charge you $400, but you're going to get two credit cards, and both of them is going to be able to get added to your credit reports. So let me show you a few things about this card. So for one, like I said too, they're going to report to all three credit bureaus. You're not going to get a credit check, right? One of my clients signed up for this and their credit score went up 87 points. And the thing I really like about this credit card is they're going to report to the credit bureaus before you even get the credit card. Yes, so before you even get the credit card in the mail, it's going to be on your credit report. Now, it's not always a guarantee. Things happen with the mail, but that's what I usually see. Before you get the card, it's going to report to the credit bureaus. Now, if you want to, you can go ahead and click right here, see how it works.
Everyone knows it's important to build credit, but how do you actually get started building it? Hello, Credit Builder Card. If you think back to your first apartment, there was a security deposit. Credit Builder Card is a secured credit card that requires a refundable deposit, just like that apartment did. To get started, complete the easy application process and fund the $200 deposit through your debit or prepaid card to get your credit line of $200. There's no credit score requirement. Once you receive your card, make a small number of purchases each month on it. You'll receive a monthly bill for the amount you spent, and by paying that bill on time each month, you build positive credit. And while you can't use your deposit to pay your monthly bill, you will get it back when you close your card, so long as your account is paid in full. Sign up with Credit Builder Card and discover the easiest way to build credit.
Oh, perfect. A great explanation. Now, with this one, when it comes down to credit cards, I always tell you, not only do you want to spend money on the credit card, but you want to make sure you keep your balance low, because a high balance can lower your credit score because you have high utilization. That means you're using too much of your credit card. I always tell people to use 5% of their credit card, so keep that in mind with this credit card here. So that means if you was to use $50 on this credit card, we already know you got a $200 limit. You want to pay down $40 on that credit card because you only want them to report $10 to the credit bureaus. That's the balance you want them to report, if not less than that. So keep that in mind when using this one. Now, let's go down a little bit more. So they show you the difference when you're buying a home. So the biggest thing is you got to boost your credit score to even buy a home. And if your credit score is really low, they're going to charge you more in interest. So that's the interest payment is what's going to make your payment higher, and it's going to basically, when you make your payment higher, it's basically, to me, wasting money, because you're giving them your money for no reason. They could have given you a better interest rate. You had a better credit score. So if you guys were to get a $200,000 house, a 30-year fixed home loan, right? If you have a 760 credit score, and these are not definite, this is just an example If you have a 760 credit score, then you'll be paying a total of $92,000 in interest, and that's at the 2.714 percentage rate, right? APR. Now, if your credit score is a 630, you're going to be paying 156,000, and that's going to be at a 4.294 percentage rate. Now, not only is this person paying $63,000 more for the same home, but look at their monthly payment. Their monthly payment is $176 more every month. Imagine what you can do with $176 every month. That's about $1,400 a year. That can be your insurance payment for your car or anything like that, right? That could be your insurance payment. That could be anything, but that's why you want to get these credit cards, so that you can raise your credit score up, and raising your credit score, you're going to get a better interest rate. And they even have one with the car too. So if you buying a $30,000 car, a 60-month loan, it's a new car. The person with a 760 credit score, this is not 100%, but it's just an example. But they're paying $2,800, almost $2,900 in total interest, and their monthly payment is $548. The APR is 3.6%. Now, if your credit score is lower, a 630, you're gonna pay a total interest of $9,400 on the same car. Your APR 11%. If their APR is at 11%, and then your monthly payment is $658. So they basically paying $6,600 more for the car. And a lot of you guys wish you can get 11% interest rate on a car. 11% interest rate. I be seeing people get a lot higher than that, get in the 20s, 19%, 18%. So it can be even worse than this. You probably paying more than the person with a 630 credit score. And again, this is just an example. So basically, their monthly payment is $110 more for 60 months, you guys. That's a lot of money. So I always tell you guys, you want to boost your credit score, and this can be a great way to do it by getting this card and have it added to your credit report. But if you want to go ahead and get this card, all you have to do is just come directly to the website and click Build Your Credit Now. And then you want to go ahead and do the process of getting this card. So you want to put your first and last name in, your email address in, and click Next. And after you do that, they're going to have additional steps you have to go through, and you got to put your deposit down. Now, let's go back to the website, because a lot of times if you have bad credit, I want you to go ahead and click right here where it says digital downloads. I want you all to understand, if you have bad credit, you probably need to start removing negative accounts from your credit reports. And not only do you want to start removing the negative accounts, you want to see other ways to boost your credit score. And I have all of that inside my exclusive membership, but I also have that information here for you also. So I have my dispute letter packet here. So this will help you remove negative accounts. Everybody's situation is different. Results may definitely vary, but this is the letter. These are the letters that I use to help clients remove accounts from their credit reports. So you guys definitely want to go ahead and check that out. Now, if you're already a member of my exclusive membership, do not touch any of these links. Just click right here, log into your membership. You got all of the stuff that I have here. You got all of this stuff for free. You don't have to pay for any of these things that I have here. And then also, if you're a member, make sure you go over here where it says credit membership at the top. And you have all of this here. You got the basic dispute letter, the advanced dispute letter, the round 1 through 5 dispute letters, how to do the shopping cart trick guide, the master credit card list, check system dispute letters, student loan rehabilitation. That's if you guys have your student loans in default, you need to get them fixed. I have the information there so you guys can get it out of default. Understanding and calculate utilization. I have my utilization sheets there for you all. Paying down your debt. I teach you guys how to pay down your debt. Validation of debt letters for those companies that saying you owe them money. You get that letter in the mail, you should respond to them. We also have collection call letters. If you want to stop the collection calls, I got a letter you always can send out. Inquiry removal letter, bankruptcy letter to the courthouse. That's how I help clients get their bankruptcy removed. The 750 credit score checklist, the pay for deletion letter, the credit card list, and then how to contact us. Plus more. It's more stuff in there. I just have these as quick links here. But definitely, log into your membership, and then you'll be able to see everything that's there. Now, like I said too, you need to start working to remove the negative accounts from your credit reports. You can start doing that now by just getting a dispute letters or looking to join in my exclusive credit membership. And when you join an exclusive credit membership, like I said, you have all of that for free. And if you want us to send out the letters for you, we can send out these letters that we have available. We can send them out for you all. And it's no additional charge as long as you're a member. You just have to be a member of our exclusive membership. But I hope this video was helpful to you all. Definitely look into getting a credit builder card, especially if you want to make sure that they're not going to deny you at all. You want to get those credit cards. And remember, you can get 2 of them. You can definitely get 2 of them, especially if you really need to build your credit score. Well, hopefully this was helpful. Make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.